Here we are getting ready to run Danial Boone Backcountry Byway. With our fearless leader Dan over here.
What? Good boy.
So it should be a good day. Hopefully,
finally on
I don't.
rock.
Hopefully, I don't break anything today. So we'll find out. But I'm excited. I've been wanting to run Danial Boone for a while. So here we go.
Go, Christina.
Oh my god. That is another horse.
Okay, I remember this. It just threw me off a little bit with that gate there. I don't remember the gate.
The gentleman says the holes down here are over 3 feet deep. He thinks the Trailhawk might not make it. Just a heads up.
I'll see where they land on his tires.
Said this last winter was really bad on it. The side-by-sides can't even make it through anymore. And the last Jeep he saw tried to attempt it, got towed back out, covered in mud. You couldn't see what color it was anymore. He said, I can't stop you from going, but I'm telling you, you shouldn't go. That's what he said.
I think we go.
We can have a look. If not, we can turn around.
Absolutely.
I have a pony. Stop away.
That wasn't that bad. This might be.
Ooh, that was muddy.
In the bypass, the top's back.
Oh no, you need to go through it now.
Send it.
Yeah, throw your top down and send it. Alright, send it through.
Right. Oh, it's a little bit longer than I anticipated.
But make room for them to come through. Hold on, Lisa. Let us film you, okay?
But that was not 3 feet deep.
You ready?
That Trailhawk did fine.
Guess who left their window down? This guy.
Yeah, I'm not making it up not without my line.
You can back down. Jason, can you take the bypass and we'll all start backing to the bypass? Then we'll get Dan back in the lead once we all get down the bypass. Or up it.
Ooh, my door is properly dirty.
Yay!
Then Jenny, you're going to make it through that puddle. You'll just come straight through because I think the hole on the bypass end is deeper. But when you come up, you're going to go to the left. Don't turn around. We're not leaving. We're just taking a left here. And you're good. Just keep coming straight back down. Don't fly into me, though.
That sounds horrible.
Nice and easy. Driver's side should drop down a little in a second. Just keep slow. Go a little more passenger. You're getting a little too high, driver. Nope, other way, other way. Cut your wheel the other direction, please. Thank you. Cut your wheel the other direction. Thank you. There you go, now straighten out. Come on back.
Straight back, Christina. Nope. You got a driver?
He's down there.
There you go.
Look at that exit too.
I know. Oh, you don't want to go in there?
Nope.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, that's right. I'm getting right there. I forgot. Oh,
It looks like I could go a little ways, Jason, then I'm gonna have to send it.
Just do what you gotta do.
There's a bit of a steep drop off here, Dan, so just be careful.
K-brakes.
Yes, Lisa, I will.
What was that?
All right. Do I hear an F-bomb? Was that a tire popping?
Some crunch.
Yeah, Jason stopped. I think we got a problem.
Okay.
Crystal, what's the word?
I can't open the door.
I think he's trying to get you to roll down the window.
What is that?
The rock rail got pulled down because of that stump, and now it's blocking the door. If we can try and get a few of us on it,
And then it should pop out.
and then try and pop it under the door, open the door, then get a high lift or something to try and jack against it.
Yes.
Alright, one.
Yep, there's the... Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Now we can get a high lift and mine's buried behind everything.
Up and around the corner.
Yeah, go ahead and get mine.
There you go. Make sure Jason makes it through that.
resecured the rock rails with some baling wire. I was rather conservative on any drops or anything that might put any stress on my passenger side rock rails, so there's a few places I got a little more hung up or I went a little slower because I just didn't want to have to deal with trying to fix that again on this trip.
I basically rode my diff all the way down it.
Shit, your rear diff didn't touch anything. Must have just been your front one.
Oh yeah, my front one made a mark all the way down. I can see it. So I cleared it for everybody else.
Thanks, Dan. You're the best.
Whoever's behind Jason, can you please take a picture of him doing this? Doing that scene? And doing the free wheel on the ground. I will video him. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm hoping I don't lose my rear bumper on this. Hopefully my hitch holds it in.
Your GoPro is on. It's working.
guys enjoyed that video. The next thing I will be doing will be the Ohio Jeep Fest out at the Ross County Fairgrounds outside of Chillicothe, Ohio. It will be happening on July 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. There's stuff for all levels of Jeeps to do, stock and really modified, so come on out. It will be a great weekend of lots of fun, lots of Jeeps to look at, lots of vendors. Make sure you check that out at ohiojeepfest.com. Until next time, guys, keep on Jeeping.